Welcome to Driving School WA tutorial. Today we're going to be explaining how to use the misters to defog your front window and the windows in your car. So it's extremely important to understand that we need to use controls on your dashboard. We have international symbols for the mister, so it's going to be the same universal sort of symbols. This particular symbol here is representing that the fan is going to be blowing through the holes in front. Okay, so if your window is fogged up, you initially have to put it on cold. Okay, so it's got to be cold, and it's best to put the air conditioning on, because air conditioning acts like a booster. It's going to do the job a lot quicker, and then you can crank it up to 2 or 3, and it's going to clear it literally within sort of 10, 15, 20 seconds. Okay, so if you're going for your driving assessment, so if your window isn't completely clear, you shouldn't, proceed with your driving. So wait a minute until the windows clear up. Now, whether we should use the internal circulation or external sort of intake of air, it's optional. Some people argue that we should have the external intake of the air. So it shouldn't matter, at least in Australia, because we don't have that low temperatures here in Australia. Also, what you can do, you can open the window slightly, particularly if you've got these little shields, just a plastic weather shield. After the window is cleared, then you can move it to warm. Okay, so then it's not going to fog up again. We also had a question about whether the hot air will also clear the window up. It will, but it will take a lot longer. To those who argue it's a better option, they should check their physics knowledge. So, it's going to take a lot less time if you initially get the cold air internally blowing through the veins up on the top to the window from the inside, then the hot air. So it's 100%, there's no question about it, it's proven beyond a doubt. Most importantly, don't panic. Okay, so if it rains like it did today we had a couple of tests which were both successful. The weather didn't interfere with how the candidates felt about their driving assessment, so that's really important to understand, that they took our advice and did it properly, and there was no problems whatsoever. So we hope that this short tutorial will keep you stress free when you're going for your driving assessment in the bad weather, and that you understand how to make your windows fog free and to have the best visibility through your windows as possible at any time you're driving your vehicle. We thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.